Hi everybody, this is Kate Zaid and I am so excited for Denver Fan Expo this weekend, and I want to take you on my process of choosing which cosplays I'm going to bring to it and show you how I pack them. Let's get started. So for Denver Fan Expo, it is a 4-day long convention. I am not competing, so I don't have to worry about transporting anything and making sure that it stays perfect and pristine. However, it is 4 days, so I would like to have some comfortable cosplays. Hatchram will be a comfortable cosplay. Hatchram is definitely on the list of cosplays that I want to bring because she's my newest cosplay. Maintaining Mediocrity will be selling her new Hatchram pin at Denver Fan Expo, and I'm just really excited to dress with Hatchram and wear that pin. The other 3 cosplays that I want to bring, I want to have at least one that's like fairly highly recognizable. I'm thinking my Jawa. My Jawa is a favorite. I always get people who want to take photos with me who recognize it, and even like the small children who don't recognize who Jawa is, they are still like fascinated by the lights of my eyes. So I'm thinking my Jawa for sure. And then the other 2, I'm not quite sure. I want something that is comfortable, especially for Sunday, because Sunday will be the 4th day. It's also takedown day, so I'll be helping Maintaining Mediocrity take down her booth. And something that I can just chill and relax in afterwards, especially if we're gonna go out to eat or something. So I don't have any sort of system of how I store my cosplays. My current project always goes up on my mannequin, and then all the accessories just kind of get scattered around my workspace. My Jawa literally lives underneath my crafting table. This is a space that I put aside here to have like a work in progress cosplay of anything that if I didn't know what to work on, I could always look here and just work on this. My Candelorian has died here, actually. I really need to start working on the Candelorian. The Candelorian is not an option for Denver Fan Expo because I don't have an undersuit and I don't have enough time to rig up the armor pieces to put together in time for Denver Fan Expo. My goal for my Halo armor was to wear it at Denver Fan Expo, but we kind of got into a little hiccup because I didn't think through transportation properly. This is the biggest suitcase that I have, and yeah, it doesn't fit. So this is going to be one for a local con. Into my fun closet of where I store my dresses. Oh, I need the bodysuit for my Jawa, but this is my Venusaur cosplay hanging up after being cleaned. I broke the umbrella. No, I did not break the umbrella. The umbrella broke during the last convention that I wore Venusaur to. So Venusaur is currently out of rotation as well because I haven't bought a new umbrella to modify into Venusaur's little flower. Cubone is also a fan favorite, and I keep trying to add to Cubone. So I have like these wraps that I put around my legs and my arms. I still have the bone, and then I put these around my ankles to give Cubone a little bit more depth. So I have been obsessed with Kuromi lately, and I recently got this keychain from Shop Goobers, or Goobers Only. And I also have Kuromi ears. So I think I could put together like a casual Kuromi cosplay. And I'll wear that on Sunday. Yeah. So for Kuromi, I'm thinking about wearing this dress. I think it's so cute. And accessorizing with this bag and having some cute black combat boots. So now that I have my 4 cosplays picked out, Hatchram, Cubone, Kuromi, and the Jawa, I need to figure out a way to pack them all in my suitcase. Kuromi and Cubone are going to be very easy to pack. There's not much to them. But Hatchram and the Jawa, that's going to be a little bit more difficult to fit into just one suitcase. Just having one suitcase is my goal. One checked suitcase, and then I'm going to do a little carry-on for my vlogging equipment. But we have the 3D print of Hatchram, and I'm a little worried about how I'm going to pack her and everything, just because she's a little weirdly shaped. She has like points and small little parts, and I just don't want her to break in transport. We definitely have a theme. Brown and pink. So let's do Cubone first, because I can pretty much fit everything into Cubone's little skull here. So for Cubone, we are going to have this dress that I got specifically for this cosplay. We have these wraps. They're extras from my Jawa, but they're like raggedy and they really like add to like this caveman look that I am trying to go for Cubone. And then I just pin these around my ankles. I put everything together using safety pins. Like I haven't even like properly put Cubone together. And then Cubone's little bone. So here is Cubone, and then I'm gonna wear these shoes for Cubone because they're simple. And then I will use the same like purse, this black simple purse that I use for my Jawa for Cubone. Next, let's do Kuromi, because Kuromi will be as easy. So shoes, bag. Then I think I'm gonna wear maybe black tights with Kuromi. Isn't this keychain cute? I got it as a gift. Boop-a-doop. Doop-doop. Ears. Boop-a-doo. And then this dress. We could probably fit the Jawa on that part there, and then all we'll have left is Hatchram. So let's make sure these still work, but we're not allowed to travel with lithium batteries. Yeah, I'll just put the mask in my carry-on so that I can just keep the batteries in. So Jawa, or yes, we need to make sure that we have shoes. Check. Gun. Check. Gloves. Check. Bandolier. Check. Beep-a-doop. Bodysuit. I need to just get like a long black sleeve shirt and then just wear this with like leggings, because the bodysuit can be a little much, but the bodysuit is very light and it doesn't really add to like me heating up at all. So that's why I am in no rush to not have the bodysuit. And then we have the robe. And then we have the hood. Boop, boop, yay. So that is that, and then in these little holes here, that's where I'm gonna put like tights and socks and everything. And I need to pack another outfit for when I do the Jawa, so I can change out of it afterwards and go out to eat and not look like a Jawa. The evening after I dress up as my Jawa, I'm gonna wear this skirt that has Darth Vader and Stormtroopers on it. I love it. Love it. And I'm gonna pair it up with this cute little headband. Now let's get to Hatchroom. Now I am bringing a carry-on for my vlogging equipment. So if I need to put anything in the carry-on, it's not the end of the world. So we have the wig. The hat is not stuffed. It's not that big of a deal if it gets squashed. There's wire in here, so there's wire in here too, so I can always just out. So this is no big deal. And then this is makeup that I bought yesterday after trying out the makeup that I had for Hatchroom and it not being what I wanted. So I picked up some new stuff. Haven't tried it out yet, but we're gonna be trying this the morning that I want to dress up as Hatchroom because we thrive living on the edge. We have the shoes with the stockings. We have the dress. And she's still solid. She's still stuck in there. That's not going to work. Not even a little bit. Okay. Oh, see, she's just floating there, though. She's just floating there. Can we? See, but then this sticks up. Right? I'm allowed to carry on in a personal item. Maybe I'll just take her on as my personal item. Like, oh, this is just my little Hatchroom. She's my lap infant. Yeah, you're not allowed to have infants on your lap. Look at her eyes and tell me she's not the cutest little baby. We will figure out you. But is TSA gonna be like, you can kill somebody with that hat? I feel like TSA is gonna get mad at me if I try to bring her in a carry-on. Maybe I can find another bag to check. Yeah, I think we're packed. I think we're good to go. Okay, so I got these 2 bags for when I went to Japan. Hatchroom is going into one of them. Hatchroom is not going into that one. She can definitely go into this one though. Oop-a-doo-ba-doo. Okay. This is literally just Hatchroom. Okay, so we are all packed and ready to go. I have all of my cosplay stuff in this large suitcase. Hatchroom is in her own bag still, and all of my vlogging equipment is in the carry-on so I can keep it close to me. I am so excited to see y'all at Denver Fan Expo, and feel free to follow along to see what shenanigans I get up to at the convention this long weekend.